Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve square root of a plus square root of b is equal to square root of 603 where a and b are natural number, or square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 603 can be written as 3 square times 67, or square root of a plus square root of b is equal to square and square root cancel out, so it will be 3 square root of 67, or if we divided both side by square root of 67, we can write square root of a over square root of 67 plus square root of b over square root of 67 is equal to 3 square root of 67 over square root of 67, or this can be written as a over 67 square root plus b over 67 square root is equal to square root of 67 and square root of 67 cancel out, so it will be 3. Here right side is integer. For integer solution, left side will be also integer. That's why a over 67 will be perfect square and b over 67 will be also perfect square. So let's consider a over 67 is equal to x square. A over 67 is equal to x square and b over 67 is equal to y square. B over 67 is equal to y square, or a is equal to multiplying both sides by 67, we get 67x square. Similarly, b is equal to 67y square. Now substituting this and this value in this equation, a over 67 is equal to x square, so it will be square root of x square plus b over 67 is equal to y square, so square root of y square is equal to 3, or x plus y is equal to 3. Here x and y are non-negative integer, so possible combination of x and y will be when x is equal to 0, y will be 3, and when x is equal to 1, y will be 2, and when x is equal to 2, y will be 1, and when x is equal to 3, y will be 0. For this value of x and y, a and b will be, so x is equal to 0, then a is equal to 0, and when y is equal to 3, then b will be 67 times 3 square is equal to 603, and when x is equal to 1, then a will be 1 times 67 is equal to 67, and when y is equal to 2, then b is equal to 2 square. 4 times 67 is equal to 268, and when x is equal to 2, then a is equal to 4 times 67 is equal to 268, and when y is equal to 1, then b is equal to 1 times 67 is equal to 67. When x is equal to 3, then 3 square is equal to 9 times 67 is equal to 603, and when y is equal to 0, then b is equal to 0. So these are the value of a and b. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.